Let's randomly solve a problem before go to bed. I guess that's it. Good night, guys. So now let's discuss how to solve this problem. We solve this problem in 4 steps. So the first step is to count. We need to count the appearance of each character, right? So for example, A appear 3 times, B appear 2 times, and C appear 1 time, right? Then we need to sort all these characters by its number of appearance, right? So character A appear the most times, right? It appears 3 times. So I put it at the first, right? And then B appeared 2 times, the second most. So we put it at the second place. And then we put C at the last place, right? C appears only 1 time. So now we accomplish the second step. Now we proceed to the third step, fill. So we need to fill the empty string with the characters we have, right? So the way we fill this empty string is like this. We fill this empty slot and skip one and fill this one, then fill this one, then try to fill this one, but we already reached the end of the string, right? So we go back to the second slot and fill this one and skip one, fill the next one, skip one, and fill the last one, right? So as we say, so the first slot we fill with the character that appears the most, right? So we fill it with A, and then skip one slot and fill it with A again, and skip one slot and fill it with A once again. Then the A are used up, right? We don't have A anymore, so we fill the empty slot with B now. So we already reached the end, so we go back to the second position and fill it with a B. And then we have another B left, so we skip one position and fill it with B again. And now we don't have B anymore, so we proceed to C. So we fill this position with C. So that's our final answer, right? So let's see another example, right? AC, AB, C, AC. So first we count. So A appears 3 times, and B appears 1 time, and C appears 3 times. So we sort it. So C should be at the second place, right? So we switch their positions. C appears 3 times and B appears 1 time, right? Now we need to fill the empty string. So first we have A, right? We have 3 A's, and we are here. So now we proceed to C, right? We write a C here, and we reach the end. Go back to the second place. C. Okay, that's all of our C's. Then the last character is B, so we put a B here, right? Can proceed to the last step, which is to check, right? We need to check the string is valid. So if there exist 2 characters that are the same, sit next to each other, that means this string is invalid, right? If there is a string looks like this, to A sit next to each other, that means this string is invalid, right? So on the contrary, in this string there are not two characters that are same sit next to each other, so that means this string is valid. So after the last step, we can return an empty string, in which case the string is invalid, or we can return the valid string, right? So let's look at the code. This is my code. So this is the first step to count all the characters appearance, right? And this part is where we sort all the characters by their number of appearance, right? So this part is where we create a empty string, and this part is where we fill the empty string with our characters, and this part is where we check if the string is valid or not. Okay, I guess that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.